Here it is, part 2, complete. The top 3 surfaces, hood, roof, and trunk, were compounded twice due to the amount of crap that my buffer pulled off and cruded up the first pad. The sides weren't that bad. I'd say about 98% of all defects are gone, including the stuck-on bug guts. She no longer has brown wall tires. They are nice, rich, and black. The windows are no longer opaque, so she doesn't have to drive using the force. She can actually see through them. Really nice blue on this car. And to show you the trunk, which you remember from the before video, had never been washed or cleaned. Let me get out of the sunlight. It is now clean, polished, and protected all the way around the edges. I'm also going to do her a favor. Since license plate frames come in pairs and Ohio only needs one now, I had an extra, so I'm deep sixing her dealership advertisement tag, and I'm going to replace it with a plain steel black frame that will complement the colors on her car nice, being blue with black accents. Close the trunk. As you can see, you can look through the car, through both windows, and actually see what's in front of you and behind you. Very pretty blue. And as it's obvious, I removed the rear plate, which is proper, because 99% or almost 100% of people that wash their own cars never remove the plate. So that area gets extremely filthy. It's never polished, never waxed. Some detailers don't even do it. They say it takes too much time, but it's like 2 minutes to pull 4 screws and 2 minutes to put them back. So it's just something that should be done. You can see the reflections on it. Nice, crisp reflections. Black wall tires everywhere. Good reflection off the hood. And you can see with the sun right in the center of the hood, practically no defects whatsoever are left. Hopefully I can catch her by surprise and get the look on her face when she sees it for the first time. If so, I'll include that in the video. Till later.